If you're seeing Epic Games error code 500, don't worry, this usually means the problem is an internal server error on Epic's side, not necessarily something wrong with your PC. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes first, then the more advanced steps if the error still won't go away. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's get into it. First, check the Epic Games server status. Since error code 500 is often caused by overloaded or temporarily unavailable servers, this is the first thing you should rule out. Open your browser and go to Epic Games' official server status page, then look for any outages, maintenance, or service interruptions. If the servers are down, the best fix is usually just waiting until Epic restores service. If the servers look fine, the next step is to fully restart the Epic Games launcher. Don't just minimize it, make sure it is completely closed. Check the system tray near the clock, right-click the Epic Games icon and fully exit the launcher, then reopen it and try again. A clean restart can often clear temporary connection issues. Next, try running Epic Games as administrator. Find your Epic Games launcher shortcut, right-click it, and choose Run as administrator. This gives the launcher higher system permissions and can help it connect properly when a normal launch fails. If a permission issue is blocking the app, this step can fix it right away. If you're using a VPN, turn it off temporarily. VPNs can sometimes interfere with Epic Games authentication, regional routing, or server communication. Disconnect the VPN completely, then relaunch Epic Games and check whether the error is gone. If it works after disabling the VPN, you've found the cause. Now, if the quick fixes didn't solve it, it's time to clear the Epic Games web cache. This is one of the most effective advanced fixes for launcher errors like this. Press Windows key plus R to open the run box. Type %local app data % and press enter. In the folder that it opens, find Epic Games Launcher, then open saved. Inside that folder, look for the web cache folder. Delete it. If you also see a folder called webcache_4430, delete that too. This removes corrupted cached data that may be causing the launcher to fail. After deleting the cache, restart your computer if possible, then open Epic Games Launcher again and test it. Many times, that's enough to fix error code 500 and restore normal access. If you still get the error, the last step is to reinstall the Epic Games launcher. Uninstall the launcher from your computer, then download the latest version from Epic's official website and install it again. A fresh installation can replace damaged launcher files and reset anything that might be broken. So to quickly recap, check the server status, restart the launcher, run it as administrator, disconnect any VPN, clear the web cache, and if needed, reinstall the launcher. Those are the best ways to fix Epic Games error code 500. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more gaming and PC troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.